What if gravity disappeared for a few seconds? Imagine you're walking down the street and suddenly everything around you starts to float. Cars lift off the ground, water escapes from cups, and people begin to rise into the air as if they're in a sci-fi movie. This isn't a scene from a film, but a glimpse into what could happen if gravity vanished from Earth for just a few seconds. Gravity is the force that keeps everything anchored to the Earth, humans, oceans, the atmosphere, and even the moon in its orbit. It's the invisible bond that organizes our lives without us even noticing. But what if this bond disappeared, even for a brief moment? In the first second, anything not firmly secured would begin to float. Phones, chairs, people, and even water from the oceans and seas would start moving in all directions. Airplanes, which rely on a balance between air pressure and gravity, would lose control, and birds would find themselves flying in chaotic patterns. By the second, the chaos would intensify. People inside buildings might hit the ceilings, and ocean water could begin to break into massive floating clouds. Even the air normally held close to the Earth by gravity would start drifting upward, making breathing difficult. But once gravity returns, everything would come crashing down. Anything that had been floating would plummet toward the ground, potentially causing collisions, destruction, and human injuries. Scientifically, there's no known way to turn off gravity since it's a property resulting from mass itself. But this thought experiment helps us realize how deeply we depend on this silent force. Gravity doesn't just keep us grounded, it keeps the entire system of life and the universe in order. Conclusion: gravity is like a silent rhythm we don't hear, but that orchestrates the dance of the universe. Losing it, even for seconds, could bring overwhelming chaos to our planet. So next time you feel the weight of life, remember that weight is what keeps you safe on Earth.